Do maaf ai afiona ko tu banga hewani mo maman mo faftaia tu ki afiona yo alo ofa tu ku ma wa osia ai aho faka kolwan mo ni be ai tanga ta fa usame ko aho eni na ngao ye si ho ke tau ha kai mo faka fia faftaia ma lo be fonwa ula ko fu ale le pe ai na afifio tu bowono ko tu yo tonga ko taini ko ni na naspa tu ko ai tama binis kalauni tu ponto mo fa de ha mo off o tua Ko tumu e mau fia mo tu koloria ki a fiona e. Ko whakala ko fia lelei ai tahine kuini whihuku o whina o tonga. Kuini halawai mata. E deu ke ni hokosia ki a bongina ai tau e hiwa ngofolu o no whakahifo mo ne a fio i ho mamani. Ko ni la ko fia foloa ko ini ai tahine kuini whihuku o hoko ia ko fu o mata i koloa mo koto ta puaki mai na afi fio at bowono mo kuina nas pau tu kwa e tahine prinsesi salote ma filia pele tuita ai tama prinsesi kalauni mo fu rupe o loto palas ko faka koloa fogia ki ho wei ki fonwa pe ke tonga hono ko to pe pe kai go ia pe ka ko fu fa kolo te vita tu yo etau a me mo lot ve kune mo ngo family fra do was e tamai maf hanga I fofonga mai ke mau te fua o ku fai he panga yo lo tu ko hi go ngai te pilo ofa ma fana ko ofa fa kai tamai ko te e ki te vita tu yo ne tau a me kai o ma ai offer ia mo ui mo fei lau si fae o fai e lot me kone me on family a fei tau lau mai o fai hano ta poa ke o fan pe hige tau mafa pe ilo ai ho eiki pe ka to ai ho mawinas pe fra o ngai ka tingi mau tolu hono ko to pe o mau kore ai ngahi mian I wa fa si su klais ko mau eiki mo mau fa mo ui amen.
Malo fai kau wakalahi mo hi ko atai fanga you may partake now. Thank you. Filipe ni e mea fai rea fai atuia e fotak fola
te u patulou me pio e tau tai o tuai o tau lo tonga Patulo pa mo tama ko tupo wono. Queen na naspau. Uwiringi ai puka. Di palas. Patapa tu tahine Queenie halawal mataho. Patapa tu tahine ko salo te mapile o pilore utuita. Patapa kita maprinis kalani tu foto au kalala. Patapa tu akalahi. Mamaha matapure. Takatai ponua pepinai ponua. O taulo nuku e kere eiki koia ko mama loa. Kere tupu ai lotu. Ange koe nai kamata ki e takatai pepekau pule o mahi ponua. Ne tuka pakapeta. Ye tau he hao me tau hi opa. Ko whai he o tua mapi. O kei haka i he lan ko tau ai tonga kotoa. Ko kei la koe pie tahine Queenie o peina o tu tonga. Ko hala wal mata aho. Ane amenaki kene au si ai no hiwa ngo pulu tau. Ia pongpongina. Pa ko hai ai haloto. E tae haka he lango tau e whai tā puaki ko whai langina o lawe munu ai a halai wal meta ko whakautua a ngā pane ai pe upatongia nai teu ke upai ko whakamalo kaya mau e monu me tapo aki koe me tahine prinsesi salo te mapne o piloleu. Ke ulele mai o whai e tongi tupe. Ai me ai tamago plinisi ata. O kou lau ia kou koloa. Lau kou monu. Ke tau lewa. O tupu-tupua. Tahine Queenie o peina o kai ke ngalo he motu ani ai tau ta hiwa o no na pai ai he tātai Palestini malo lo e siasi ko ne mama o atu ko toke tāsen amana ki havea ahono lo tua he au sia he a Fiona o fitu ngo pulu tau e tā hiwa no pandai kawa ni talamonu mene popa ki talamonu atu ke Fiona kama ai tahi ne ko hewi panga une ke lau mali e aho ko ya ke tape apa ke lesi mo monu e loto e aho ko ya ne pa ho ko holo e kolis quinchalo te api ko matahiwa na ne aya e wi panga pa ko pe loto i tonga ko to pe tahine Queenie pe hu ko pe na tonga a loto e tonga tanga dai ponua me pe ne i ponua ke tape to uli ki atu me kele tu pu ko ye loto ko mama loa a monu me ta paki kene a pio tama ko sias tu pogo no tahine Queenie o pe na tonga Queenie pe hu halawal mataho pe ke tahine ko salote makle o pilole tuita ka mai pare ha mo ho Mahalo tahine. Ko lava I ki whaohaa. Hange koe whaataku. Ko ki whaohaa pra ofisiale. Kai tuke hoka atua e whaohaa e ki motuani. I tua kautaa. Na whahako se atua siria na tautai na tonga e prayer breakfast di tau e taha. Ko hoko sia e tahine kuini pehuhu. Ono aho aloi. Palotonga e ku mama he loto I whale koe holo koriskin chalote. O ku kango mahabu hoa. Veikune. Wakai ki olunga. Ko hila haki olunga. O kango mai tahine ko pilo levu. Ka kango ke he maika. O kai ke mea maa pilo levu na plavei. Ko mea mai pilo levu ke walo pahalea he maika. Lolotonga ko iau he maika whai pekau pensiman ponua. Lolotonga ko ne whai pekau sea I he oto hapai. Ka whakahoko mai pensiman ponua e hoa whio tamako tau whahatu pou wha. Ko whawaponga e oto hapai e tala monu. Ke tahine kuini pehu o pehina tonga. Mata. Pako e kamo mai koa pilo levu ko la vei. O kei opa au kuato pe tahine I he otu motu o wawau. Ka ke ulele whakautua ma whakahoko maha opa o wawau. Pau lele hake he mai ka whakahoko mai. E wapio. Na mea mai ka au he telefoni a nengi hengi a e kowa na wawau ko Twitter. Pe mai pai pekau sea. Ke ulele ma whakautua atu heni. O whakahoka te opa awawa. Taku pehe pehe hei haua pe koe ni tahine kuini halawalu na taho. Ko whakautua atu koe ni. O kai ke ngata pe. I e whaamiri. Ka kamata mai me nā wha. Mo nā tātā. Mo wā wā. Haui hāpā. Hau mai ki tāpā u. Ai whapeta. Me whamalo. I he tau hi opa. Mo I tau hi hawa ko whai o tua mafma. O haka I lang ko tau ai e tonga ko toa. I o toi au sia. O hiwa ngo puru tau. I aho apongpongina. Lewa pao haa. Tua opa I kiat.
Malo. Malo uraki pua tarifus. Havu ke homol mole bakala. Nere mai koe moto Spain ni. Uraki hanga koe fafu fai a koe he taulanga wawau. Kata ko fito ki o ia koe uraki pua tarifus. Ki mui whanua koe no kui ai koe nea. Fuatak whalaha ka mo veikune. Pea toki o wale whoki ai Fuspeini he toki a o koe ki he wawau totonu ki he taulanga halai walu koe. Taulanga totonu ia ka kua mua whoki a o rak pua telefus. Malo.
Ladies and gentlemen, I please ask that you charge your glasses and be upstanding, so that we may do the royal toast of His Majesty. Mō ka tako mea ki o lunga, ki tau whai ai tawa monu ma whamanu ia anga ki ne awhio ko tupo wono ko tui o tonga. Ia hiri be ai whahoha ai mutuani, ko rea tuki he kauiwha so tiange mō ka tako I whimai ai whaswafonua. Pea tōku maurewa mō ngā hipu. Malo. To His Majesty, King Tupowono o Tonga. Malo.
Birthday toast. Ko tala monu, whakamonu I anga. O e aho aloi o e tahine kuin whehupu, halawal mata. Whai atu ia, e Lord Fustoa. Malo.
Tapu moe hautoka au Niue University. Pea moe o tua alo ofa o e Otutonga. Tapu moe ne awhio ko King Tupowono ko e tui o Otutonga. Kai o maa e tahine ko Quilina Spaumu. Tapu pia moe tahine Queen Lai Valmata aho. Ko Queen Whehu o Wheino o Otutonga. Tapu moe tamapilinis Kalauni Tupoto o Lukalala. Kai o maa e tahine Princess Kalauni Princess Sinagagala. Tapu moe tahine Princess Wakatui. Princess Charlotte Mafire o Belore Vutuito. Pea tapu o pilinisiata moe whare o Tupo. Tapu e ma wakalahi mo ui. Pea kokore I o whamalumalu atu. E ngā hitala whakatapu ka kato ko oso no au whaka. Ka tā mua ke motuani. Ke o hapai atu, ke mo whawheta, ai kolo, whakailangi, ko ia ko to'o ma haangata, e aho koini. I aho ni, o awhio heni, a tupogu I api, ko mamaloa. Pea hapai e aho me e mo veikune, ai tau mafu, mo taritari o I kāinga. Ko whakalangi langi, mo whakamonu, o hokosia a makamaire ka whakafa. O tahine ko Queen Halai Valmata aho. Aia, o hokosia ono ao aloi. Whakawheta, ia whakawheta. E alo ofa ka whakafa ko eni ai o tua. E ne mea ofa make, ko ia ki a te kinau tolu, o hoi fua ki ai aho no whinangalo. E mai, a hongo fulo mahina ka hau ko su ne tahine. E hokosia ai, ai tau e ono fulu mahi a o mea e whare o tupo utaine kui. I kai ko ia pe, ka koe wheitu una whoki, o whanga I ngai whakatapu. Koe o hoa na ia, ke la ahono whawa o tutonga. whiu ala ahono ni ma kai uma afoki ala ahono no ai o tuton I o tutonga I ahoini io whakawheta pia toi whakawheta ke toi ngahi maka mai le fungani mo haha molo fia koe ni mi he tai ha mai dai I kai koe ia pē kana e kōpano ma ke he pē ai tahine ko halai wala mata aho ke ne hoko koe hoana ke hau e whonua me he ne whihu hufanga he whakatapu na ne ka pui ai sina e eiki kai uma a ka wala uta pia moe otu tamaha ma ne whai te unga tau whitongi ai I otu vee moe ala mea I he tuhi tuu whakawaha pipitongi pia moe whaka otu sia Io ngahi ka kalafu ngani koe o otu tonga I kai koe ia pē kana toe whakale a kehi whoki e taini ko kuina lai walmata aho ai ngahi ka kala hingoa whakapuripuri ke whakaitani ki hangata o ne mea moia kono whiao ke whare o haa mohe ofu Io ai otu ka kala hingoa whakailangi ko ia ko ofa o whakatapi ke moanga moko moko ke mo loto lelei loto maa moanga maulao Io ke tok whakakoloa ma kehe aki e taini ko kuina lai walmata aho ano ngahi tāpua kini ai ne hoko koe unga anga ke kau whaingata ia whanua me he whanau hiki ke kau waiwai me he whaingata ia whaasino ke kawata mai tō mui na ne o whai nau tō ke kātoi e ne ofa koe kai ke kuini te o whanua a koe kuini a kau whaingata ia pe o ko pāta isi I loto whare kotoa ai o tutonga ni aho me hongo niwa I wawaula me hapai veo funga whanua mo tunga I whoki koe whetu una koe kuini ai kau whaingata ia mo tuausia kai whe he ko amet e moha ngata na nautari e lotu e lausi I he moi whanua pia mātuai e lopa aione o tutonga o hatai hake e hau e univesi e talo ai fuka hake e otfleninte Io e talo ai fio e ngahi kakala tupu o otutonga e mo ngahi kakala whakalangi o e wholofola aini o kei tuku au mai e tahini kuina lai walamata aho ai uma a e whare o whaina o ha mo e ofu e otutonga ko ia I ka ainga o whangatoi pē ngai whatapu ka mō mea hake mo ke tau whai whakapa ke taini kuini ko alai walamata aho I would ask that you charge your glasses and please be standing so that we may give the birthday toast for Her Majesty the Queen Mother. Ke hene a whio ko Queen halai walamata aho the Queen Whehu, to Her Majesty the Queen Mother. Tu awhatu.
Whamare mole atu wakalahi. Koe hiripe koe ni ku iai e ai o wau o I keke aho. E mea mai e whakamakapuna whare alo o puhi. Mahalo apito. May I now invite Your Royal Highness. Thank you.
Kore ke hufanga he na whatap koto ko sona faki ka koe ki fatongia fratu paken vala fra mole mole atupe koe uaki me a koe fae ki whakamona koe Paul reunion Paul ai kau Blake ane Paul pe ana e whakapapau i pe he kau palangi loi koe ni te nau hu totomu koe uhi ke ave ai paanga ke whai a ke ngahi ma i moa ai tahine kuini. Pa koe urak me aia ta e mawe ki paanga e tahamano ni maafe tolngi au tolngi kumani ma e po. Ka kokore whakamore more a ke uraki lere atu o ave ai paanga ke tahine kuini ke hanga mai pe ai kaupere ki ko ingu ave hanga toni pe ki tahine kuini ke upuna moa ki nusila. Ke osko ya pa toki hoko atureva ke pio kala ki tahine kuini. The proceeds at the door came to $15,335, and so I've just presented the proceeds to Her Majesty, which she will use for her charities. The second part of my short sojourn in front of the microphone is to present to Her Majesty a copy of a biography. Now, this biography was written by three relatives of mine: my first cousin, Lady Siatki Moanavaya, and my first cousin, Dr. Mapaha Anopuloka, and our aunt who has disappeared because she doesn't like to appear in public, Manakovi Areamotu Apahulu. Now, it's important that although these three have been commissioned to write a short biography of Her Majesty, one, we didn't have any funding. So in the spirit of the birthday of Her Majesty, her 90th birthday, a great friend Mr. Bill Waterhouse in Sydney and her daughter, Louise Waterhouse, has sponsored the book. Although written in Tongan, it's 50 pa'anga each, and it's available to be sold today. It is written in Tongan, but my 3 authors have promised me that they will print the English version by July. So the proceeds of this book is also going to Her Majesty and her charities. So I think that's all I should say at this moment. Ko le whamolmole pe wakalahe kai ki o atu haki whamatala no ko pio kalafi ko ni hange na lave ki asia a taongo. Ko ngā weia ai tokotolu ko si at ki moana maia ma paana puloka kai uma afok e mau ki whae o fe ia ko a. O kai ke si asi mai o toi pe mui kong manako vi mo moho alea mo tua pahulu pa koe ki ngā e koe ni na nau whai pe nau tau i herea whakatonga pea oku nau palo mes mai te nau lava o whakaosi a herea whakapritania i siulai. Ka koe tohi koe ni ongo whoke maungo o ngai ngā we ko pau pe ke totongi hata pena kai kia ha mau ki patset a mau towi a uki mo makalai. E koe ka hapat setia ke aho tahi le kuini, kono mo o nie. Ofa ata pe ai kai ngai kuini, ke whai a kono aho. Taku, kia e whamalo lo ka haunga, kia Mr. Bill Waterhouse, na e mā i moa ko whakataha whoki pia moe la a ko ngā whonua, tau wha ko wha, i he law school koe i Sydney, pia o kui henhon o whewhine, ko Consul General ia a Tonga ki Sene, ko Louise Waterhouse, ke le hanga o whoaki ai tohi ki hene a whio te tahine kui whehuru. Ko ia pe wakalahi mo uhi o whai.
Your Majesty the Queen Mother, it is with great pleasure that I've been given the honour by Her Royal Highness Princess Royal to present to you a lovely and historic photo biography of your wonderful and glorious life, now extending over 9 decades and serving Tonga as Your Majesty for over 50 years as Queen and Queen Mother. If I may take the liberty to say to you, you've been a much loved Queen, and now George Chen and myself, your Consul in Hong Kong and Sydney, and my father, have been delighted to support Caroline Rupp to create a historic record with so many photos never seen before. There's just a few of this book here, Rushed to Tonga in time for your birthday, available also for sale for your charity. My family from Australia and I wish you many, many happy years to come, many healthy years. Long may you live.
Tôi ni coi kau viva ni tu nak mau, betul dia ni tamai ki ke lau me mai, fai lau ki impromptu, faka meipe malo.
Distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen. Just short background information on the solo dance that was performed by the opening item, Honorable Michaela Mary Rose Fokilupe Halenbamanatu, who was the eldest daughter of Honorable Fankoa and Gilby Vano, the granddaughter of Her Royal Highness Princess Bilolem. The name of the song that she performed to was the Mano Baladaisi, the Bird of Paradise, which was composed by the late Queen Salote Tupo III in 1953. Her Majesty composed the words, the music and the choreography. The Queen had seen a bird of paradise on an overseas trip, and she used the bird as a metaphor for Tonga. The dance was performed in the mid-1950s by Ramona Moala and the late Louisa Guttenvale, and the significance of this performance is the fact that the actions that were used by Michaela is the original version that was taught to the first dancers by Her late Majesty Queen Salote Tupo III. And we were blessed that Miss Ramona Moala is still very much fit and well, and was able to pass on her skills to the young Honorable Michaela Bihano. Ladies and gentlemen, the next item will be the Fa'ahiula. This dance was originally a group dance of young chiefly daughters who, on the rhythm of a quite monotonous song, made a series of postures beautiful to look at. Many of the technical motifs of the Ta'olunga are derived from this ancient Tongan dance. The Fa'ahiula today will be performed by 14 girls who are all descendants of Alexander Blake. Koe Fa'ahiula, ula mawaralahi, ka mohi, e whakahoko atu ia, e whanki whine mui kone toko homokulu mawha, ko ngahi makopuna ko toa pe, o tangata Britania ko Alexander Blake. Pea uiheni foki toko lahi o tangatani, ne naulele mai ki kau ngā kau, mo toi ngā whonua, mo kai ngā mo whamiri, ono kātoa ngā, mo whamanatu, ai tau hiwa ngō furu e taine kuini wheku. Ko Fa'ahiula. Malo malah kita mau koe fai mahonohoko koe fai vai ai whanau pia me he afiako koia koe nalonga whanau o whina ini ai tahini tuni whehu ko nau lava mai he aho koe ni ke fai ha ramalo ia ai oka e tahini tuni whehu a hoko mai he ngahi tapu lahi heni ke whanau koe ni pia tapuange pia moia o me amape ia koe se whanau weni a ana pia whakepia so ni te si lawa mai a whanau koe ni so i pe koe lau konga ia e o whaitai me koe ni o hoko na ko na taula kata kamu tata mai ki mua We have The next performance is going to be by the children and those who are being taken care of at the Malonga Centre. And this is a very important charity of Her Majesty, the Queen Mother. For the very many years, she has taken trips and looked for funding and materials and everything that were needed to build this place. And they are here today to perform for Her Majesty and all the distinguished guests present here today. Como maupe, como walahi pia mouhi koe whame i te hoko. E te utuku he ni ke ki I tangata koia o ku pule he whaiwa ke o atu e ni ki whamatara whika waki pia mo nau whame I te a koe ni.
Kia ora. Your Majesties, distinguished guests, and to our beloved Queen Mother, Halaiwalu Mataho. It is our huge honour and privilege to be here to represent our Māori King, King Tuheitia. King Tuheitia really wanted to be here today, but in the interest of maintaining good health and well-being, we instead have come on his behalf to accompany his wife, Te Makauariki Atawhai, and their children, Ngā Waihono I Te Pō and Whatumoana Paki. And I made a comment earlier that this is a huge honour for us because we understand in all of the years that our royal houses have shared these connections, this is indeed the first time a Māori cultural group or a kapahaka has accompanied them here to Tonga. And so we present to you Te Kapahaka o Te Iti Kahurangi. We present to you a representative cultural group of Tainui Waka. We present to you members who hail from the many tribes of Aotearoa, New Zealand. Anei te iwi Māori, e whakanui ana I a koe e te kuini. Hari huri tau, huri noa ki au koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou. We'll be performing 4 items. The last item is a very special item for which I'll give an introduction before we present it. Tēnā tātou katoa. Well, after the meal we just took part in, there was a very hard haka to perform.
Your Majesties, Queen Halaivalu, Ataho, our beloved Queen Mother. We've come now to our final item, and this is a very special item for us because the item was composed at the request of our King, King Tuheitia, to present especially as a gift for you on this very special 90th birthday milestone. So, in the interest of making sure that people understand the meaning behind the words that were composed, we asked or approached the King's office to have a special presentation made, and that presentation is a frame in which contains the words with an English translation to the song. And I understand that Whatumua Paki will be making that presentation on behalf of his father, certainly as we sing this, our final waiata for you today. I hope you enjoy. Puri noi tō tātou papa, tēnā koutou, tēnā koutou, tēnā tātou katoa.
lotonga ia moni he kainga o tu Maori ko hi ko lava ke nau mea mai he aho ko ni ke tau katoanga whataha ko hi ko ia sia he taini kuini hono ta i wangofuru. The next item will be the No'oanga, which basically translates to shark hunting. There was a clan of Tongans in Eweki and Nautoka called the Wharesiu, who were allocated the task of No'oanga. They knew the ceremony had to be performed before, during, and after they hunted for sharks, who were referred to as hina. Whilst out at sea, the Wharesiu would call for hina and tell it Sinilau was there with her kahua kakala or necklace. One of the men of the clan would jump into the water with the shark and tie a noose or kahua kakala around its neck to trap it. No blood was allowed to spill whilst performing the No'oanga, so the shark had to be hit with precision by its capturer, Sinilau. In preparation for a No'oanga, the Wharesiu had to fast and meditate for days before the actual hunting began. After the No'oanga was performed, the Wharesiu clan would thank the gods of the ocean and Hina for giving her life for the benefit of others. The Wharesiu clan would then return to their village and conduct the closing ceremony over kava, then distribute parts of their bounty. Ko No'oanga eni, e whamei te atuai a eiki salote mau taimi, pea moe kai ngau tungi, pea mei Nautoka. Your Majesties, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, the next item will be a ma'ulu'ulu, a sitting down dance that was specially composed by Malukava for the Queen Mother's 90th birthday celebration. Will be performed by the descendants of Alexander Blake, those of us who are living here in Tonga. Ka whamei te hoko ko e ma'ulu ai ngahi makapuna e tangata eiki kon ko Alexander Blake. Lau nofo koni Tongani. Aia ne wha'u pea mo whakahaka e Malukava ki hono katoa ngā i koi e tau ki wango fulu e taini kuini.
Yeah.
katoa pe koi kakaen ke mo mapanai.
Be a laka-laka that will be performed by the descendants of Meretonga Blake, who are living in different parts of the world, have come from America, Australia, New Zealand, other parts of the world to join their relatives here in Tonga in the celebration of the Queen Mother's 90th birthday. And this laka-laka was specially composed to honor this momentous occasion. E ho awhio, ka pehe ki tamai ki whare alo. Ko e laka-laka ko e ni, ko e laka-laka e whakamaka o Meretonga Pereki. Na nau, ki nau tolu nau I Tongani, nau tolu na nau lava mai mei muri, ko hipe, ko e katoa, ko e whie kau ngā, I whia, ko e au sia he taimi koe ni whehu hū. Aho no hiwa ngō furu tau. Ko e wāhenga, ko I tahine ko halai walu mo he ofu. Pas ki ai.
Bravo! Bravo!
Your Majesty, Your Royal Highnesses, distinguished guests, ladies and gentlemen, we finally come to the last item of the day, which will be a laka-laka that will be performed by the Prince Dungis Kainga from the ancient capital of the kingdom, Mu'a. And the central dancer, the Vahenga, will be Honorable Salote Maumau-Taimi.
Come tai no mai masi ko itani alo mai moa Marie Faiva tahi ne princesi. Halo dan salot. Halo masih tani. Walahi ku lavai katuanga Mekun ne pamo ahme isa kuate pamo kawafusi fafita ge aho faka ofo ofa moni pe ngana tamari fai pamo me koto ape fafita ko yai kore ne faka mari ki fai fikau sone hangana fai fikau kure ko vai ko matua ke ne ka taki mai fai ta ulot fakaos malo
Kita lotu Frausia Katuanga Ahoni. Let us pray. Glorious and majestic God of gods, we thank you for a majestic day of celebration and thanksgiving in honor of the beloved Queen Mother, Queen Halaiwalu Mata'aho. May her days be blessed, filled with love and joy all the days of her lives. Mawhawhetai lang daupot, mawhakangei ho huafa toputapu, te mautuku Gloria ki hea Fiona ko mau otua. Iho tuku ke mau kau he whakamooni, ke mono mai tāpuaki o whinanga lo le lei. Te tāhine kuini whehuhu o wheina o loto palasi moha mohe ofo io o e siasi mo e whanua kotonga. Ai tāhine kuini ko kuini Halaiwalu Mata'aho. O whamooni ai ahoni ko kalofiama o e mama mei hea Fiona. O mama e tahine kuini whehuhu mo e whare o hamo he ofo. Whawheta, o nau kei tae mo ape i he hulu e mama ko ia. Pea ko mama loa ai ho nau whanua mo hono kakai. Eiki ai ke fuoloa ange mo hanga he tau. Pea ke tauhi ho mau hau. Pea ke tali e mau lotu. O malu i ho mau hau pea mo e tāhine kuini whehuhu o wheina. Ko kuini Halaiwalu Mata'aho. O mau momo i atu, moi ka hauna. I e huafa e tamai mo e alo, mo e lau maari e maa nioni. Pea koe kere so tau eiki, o whae o tuape mo e whio he lau maari e maa nioni. Ma o whae tiki mau tolu kotoa pe, o nā hiri. Ai whae pe o tainata. Amen.